complete guide on warning lights and DTC codes with Arman Motor Garage. Many of us have no idea what the lights and symbols on our car dashboards actually mean and when to take action. They flag up issues with the engine or can even save a driver's life in the most serious of cases, but how many do you know? According to a new survey, 1 in 3 cannot recognize which symbol is the headlamp indicator, while 27% can't identify the check engine sign. And when people do understand what the car is warning them about, very few know how to manage the problem themselves. 1/3 of those polled have no idea how to check the oil, just under half don't know how to change a tire, and 44% wouldn't have a clue how to change the windscreen wipers. While 58% have no idea what their tire tread limit should be, when it becomes illegal, or how to check it. Here is your handy guide to recognizing what each symbol means and what you need to do about it. 1. Front fog lights turned on. 2. Power steering system problems. 3. Rear fog lights switched on. 4. Low level of windscreen fluid. 5. Worn brake pads. 6. Cruise control is activated. 7. Signaling direction. 8. Trouble on light sensor or rain sensor. 9. Winter mode. 10. Info indicator. 11. The diesel auxiliary heater. 12. Ice warning. 13. Starting system problems. 14. The keys not in the car. 15. Key low battery. 16. Warning distance to another car. 17. Indicator to push the clutch. 18. Indicator to push the brake pedal. 19. Locked steering wheel. 20. Long beam turned on. 21. Low tire pressure. 22. Short beam on. 23. Problems with headlight, tail lights, signals bulbs. 24. Problems with brake lights. 25. Problems with the particulate filter, DPF. 26. Error, disconnection of the plug from the trailer. 27. Air suspension problems. 28. Warning for exceeding the lane without signaling, anti-sleep system, lane assist. 29. Problems with catalyst. 30. Warning for seat belt, belt is not on. 31. Warning parking light. 32. Alternator or battery problems. 33. Parking sensors turned on. 34. Service warning light. 35. Adaptive headlights turned on. 36. Headlight angle. 37. Problems with variable rear spoiler. 38. Problems in triggering electric roof. 39. Front airbag is switched off. 40. Handbrake is pulled on. 41. Water in fuel filter. 42. Airbag switched off. 43. Mechanical problem or electrical error. 44. Short beam turned on. 45. Dirty air filter requires replacement. 46. Eco mode turned on. 47. Downhill assist on. 48. Cooling system problems. 49. Problem with ABS. 50. Problems with fuel filter. 51. Open door. 52. Open bonnet. 53. Fuel tank on reserve, need to fill the tank. 54. Automatic gearbox problems. 55. Speed limiter is on. 56. Suspension problems. 57. Low oil pressure. 58. Front window defroster. 59. Open boot. 60. Electronic stability program is off. 61. Rain sensor. 62. Engine problems or hazard. 63. Rear window defroster. 64. The automatic windscreen wiper. Warning lights appear when one of the sensors detect an error and highlights it to the engine control unit. There are around 200 warning codes. Diagnostic trouble codes, also known as engine fault codes, are 5-digit codes that identify a particular problem in the car. The 5-digit DTC includes one letter usually followed by 4 numbers. You will need to take this to a professional who can then check the system, find out the source of the warning and carry out the necessary repairs. Arman Motor Garage is here to help. Call or WhatsApp us on 913 crore 70 lakh 34,530 or 845 crore 18 lakh 28,922 so that you can get fastest resolution and best service at your doorstep all over Mumbai. I hope you like our videos. Please share your suggestions and recommendation in the comments section. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel Arman Motor Garage.